As expected, Apple had released the iOS 18 public beta so that folks who love to test the pre-release software and features can take the iOS 18 features for a long spin, charmed by a ton of exciting features. If you're willing to jump on the bandwagon, follow along to learn how to securely install iOS 18 public beta on your iPhone or iPad. It's worth pointing out that iOS 18 beta is full of bugs, hence you should be battle ready to encounter several unexpected and expected issues such as rapid battery drain, personal hotspot missing problem, and Wi-Fi ill functioning. However, if you want to go ahead with the beta update, make sure to fully back up your iPhone beforehand so that your precious data has an extra layer of shield. Apart from offering the necessary safeguard to your data, it will also offer a way to securely downgrade to iOS 17 if you ever want to go back to the stable version of iOS. Another important thing that you should do right off the bat is to ensure that you have a compatible iPhone and iPad model. Note that only iPhone XR or iPhone XS or later supports iOS 18. As for the iPad compatibility, ensure that you have iPad Pro M4 or later, 12.9-inch iPad Pro 3rd generation and later, iPad Pro 11-inch 1st generation and later, iPad Air M2 or later, iPad Air 3rd generation and later, iPad 7th generation and later, and iPad mini 5th generation and later. Note that if you have never tested an iOS public beta, you will need to first sign up for the beta program. To do so, launch Safari on your device and then head over to Apple Beta Program and then sign up. After that, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then select General. After that, choose Software Update. Then you have to tap on Beta Updates option and select iOS 18 Public Beta. After that, you have to tap on the back button at the top left corner of the screen and then allow the iOS 18 Public Beta profile to show up. After that, tap on the Download and Install option to start downloading the iOS 18 Beta profile. Be sure to agree to Apple's licensing terms and conditions. And once you have successfully downloaded the iOS 18 beta, you can easily install it. To do so, open the Settings app on your device and then select General. After that, tap on Software Update and then install the update as usual, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can securely install the iOS 18 public beta on your iPhone and iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.